In today's video, I will walk you through how to hide listening activity on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Next, go to the top right corner and click your profile icon. Depending on your version of Spotify, you may see a small profile picture or a menu icon. From the menu, select Settings. If you see a gear icon instead, click that to go directly to Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the Social section. This is where Spotify provides the controls for your activity visibility. In the Social section, look for the option related to listening activity. The wording may vary slightly depending on your version of Spotify, but it will clearly mention listening activity. When you find the listening activity option, switch it off. This will stop your current listening activity from being shared in places such as the Friend Activity panel. After switching it off, the change should take effect quickly. If you don't see the update immediately, give it a moment. Turning off listening activity only affects the real-time activity showing what you're currently playing. It does not change your recommendations, library, or playlists. If you decide that you want to share your listening activity again later, return to the same Social section in Settings and switch the option back on. That's all there is to it. Go to your profile icon, open Settings, scroll to the Social section, and turn off the option that shows your listening activity. Your current listening activity will no longer be shared through the Friend Activity feed. And if you change your mind, you can return to the same setting and turn it back on. Thank you for watching.